Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, well, I'm good, thank you. And do you speak English?
Oh, mine did fine. Oh.
Yeah, your English is very bad, but it's okay. I'm also learning English in this application. So I got this fluency by conversation. Try to keep practicing. Okay.
Okay.
So you're from Russia, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Which part of Russia you are living? I mean, which city?
City Krasnoyar.
So, do you know Bangladesh?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. That's cool.
How old are you?
Oh, how old I am? So, what do you think about my age? What do you think?
I know.
No, no. What do you think about my age? Tell me your idea about my age.
Um, maybe 29.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Yes.
Really?
Yeah, 29. Absolutely. Oh my god. What about you? How old are you?
And me? You think much old
Oh,
are you?
you are also clever. I think you are 22 or 23rd. 22 or 23.
No.
So?
26. 26.
Ah, no, that's unbelievable that you are 26. Unbelievable. I can't believe that. Your face looks like completely around near of 20. Are you a student?
No.
So, you do job.
And, yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. What job? Hard job.
Uh, I'm sent for house and apartment. I'm sent in Kazakh.
Oh, real estate specialist. Uh,
I'm